Hello everyone, I'm Rebecca Rzuski, Associate Professor in Information Services and Liaison Librarian at the Library of the Health Sciences in Chicago. I'm going to be taking you through a tour of the IPE Immersion Day Blackboard site so you can see where you can find the materials that you will need to review for the IPE Immersion Day. The IPE Immersion Day Blackboard site can be found under Other Courses after you are logged into Blackboard. It's called IPE Immersion Program Chicago Spring 2018. The IPE Facilitators section is where you can find the materials that were highlighted during the IPE Facilitator trainings and the materials that are being used for the IPE Immersion Day. The April 13th Information and Facilitator materials has all the videos and readings that you will need to take a look at before the Immersion Day. There is also a facilitation tutorial that will give you an overview about facilitation, the role of a facilitator, and information on IP facilitation and tips on handling difficult situations in facilitation. There is also a PDF version of the tutorial. There are also additional facilitation materials that you can take a look at. In the April 13th information folder, there will be updated information on parking. The IP Immersion Day videos has all the videos that will be shown during the Immersion Day. The IP Immersion Day Facilitator documents has the PDFs that you would use to assist you in facilitating your table during the IPE Immersion Day. There is a facilitator version of the IPE Immersion Day agenda, a one-page facilitator tips guide, and the IPE Facilitator Group Discussion Guide, which will walk you through the IPE Immersion Day and give you talking points for when you are leading the students through discussion. The Immersion Day student assignments and worksheets has the IPE discipline videos, which are usually 5 minutes long, that give an overview about the disciplines who will be attending the Immersion Day. There are also 2 worksheets that the students will be turning in during the Immersion Day, a scenario scoring sheet that will be used during the Immersion Day, an article that the students will have to read ahead of time, and then the IPEC competencies. There's a short version of the competencies that lists all of the competencies that are going to be used. If you wanted to get more information on the competencies, you can take a look at the full version of the 2016 updated IPEC competencies report. If you can not access the Blackboard site, or if you have any questions, please contact me at raszewr1@uyc.edu. Thank you.